Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'm going to show you how to make some pizza dough. Add some sugar to a bowl of flour. Make a well in the center and add in some salt, yeast, vegetable oil, and then finally add in the water. Mix this all together to form a ball. Put some flour on a work surface and put your dough on it, and then knead it a little bit. Knead it on the work surface and then put it back in your bowl. Cover it and leave this to rest for about an hour. While that is resting, make your tomato sauce. So put some tomatoes in a bowl, add some seasoning to it, and add some fresh herbs. Process this until it's smooth. When your dough is ready, put a bit of flour on your work surface. Use a rolling pin to roll it out as flat as you want. And then put some tomato sauce around the edges. Just leave a bit of a border. And then you can add any other toppings that you want, and add some cheese all over it. Then you can put it in the oven and bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. I'm going to cut a slice and show you what it looks like, and that's it. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.